Hi there, Brock Vandenberg with Talamar Financial, your California hard money lender. Down here in La Mesa at a project we recently funded, we assisted the borrower and financed the purchase and 100% of the renovation costs. What's really cool about this project is our client is actually building out a ADU in the back. Now, ADUs have become super popular here in the last year or two, as the city of San Diego has made it very easy to get ADU units approved. The purpose of the ADU unit, as you may all know, is the housing crisis here in San Diego has increased home prices in which most people that are, especially first-time home buyers, cannot afford housing. And as a result, rents have gone up. They're hoping to alleviate this issue by allowing homeowners to put ADU, accessory dwelling units, on their properties. And the regulations around them are getting more and more laxed. So here, there is a large lot. It's about a 6,000 square foot lot. The house was an existing 2-bed, 1-bath house. Our client's gonna make it a 3-bed, 2-bath house. And then the oversized garage is gonna be built out as a 2-bed, 1-bath, large living area. This is gonna be great for La Mesa. It's gonna be great for San Diego. It's gonna offer additional housing. And we offer financing for it. So if you're interested in learning more about our hard money loan financing for ADU units, please give me a call. My name is Brock Vandenberg. I'm with Talamar Financial. My number 858-613-0111. Thanks for listening, and I look forward to hearing from you.